Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back. Last night we made some Crunch Wrap Supremes and it came out really good. Although, what I did was I mixed a pound of ground beef and a can of refried beans. It would have been better, in my opinion, with just the ground beef. But some in the house like, excuse me, the beans, so mixed them together, and I threw in a pack of taco sauce or taco seasoning. Half a pack would have been more than enough. So it was a little strong on the seasoning. Otherwise, they turned out great. You never know until you try. So now I'm over for next time. So what I'm doing now is I'm reheating, because we had a lot of the beefy bean stuff. So we have all this left over, and it's lunchtime, and I'm hungry again. I've been known to get hungry a time or two. I'm warming this up. We've got some leftover tortilla, and don't want to use my good stuff. Let's just throw a little. Actually, there's some leftover seasoning on here already. Just a tiny bit of oil. Ugh. Okay, we'll have to use something else to spread the oil around. And we'll slap a tortilla on there a minute. Doesn't take long on the tortillas. Bring my other good. So I've got the emergency backup spatula. Whee! Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Step right up. Okay, we can use that covered in bean, beefy bean. Stick this in here and try not to spill it too much. As you know, I'm very messy. So, that's done. Let's take, just to give it some flavor, we still got some queso. Give it a little pop. Hi, Pop. Good queso. And seal the edges. We've got some shredded cheese. Glue it all down. That aside. Fold this over. Ooh, it's getting hot, y'all. Hot, hot, hot. Some hot stuff. Maybe tonight. Some hot stuff. Okay, this is huge. I could have cut this in half and still had plenty. This may be a two-meal, a brunch and a lunch. A lunch and a midday snack or something. These are big tortillas. Okay, let's go take a look at our cooking and see what we've done. And welcome back. It's always hard to frame everything when I'm on the wrong side of the viewfinder. But hopefully you can see all this. This is my gigantic quesadilla. Let's just tear it in half so you can see the cheesy goodness. And also, you saw my fancy carrier I got with, can carry all my bottles and all that, and it's got a paper towel holder on top. Well, as soon as we finished the crunch wraps last night, we went in to eat, and when I came out to clean up my mess, the paper towels were all over the yard because our nightly Zephyr came and blew it all away. So now I have wads of paper towels instead of a nice handy roll. Okay, let's taste this gigantic thing. It's almost like a crunch wrap without all the work. Or the crunch. In fact, I could have tossed a crunch tostada in there and it'd be the same thing. Mostly because of the over-seasoned meat and bean mix. But it's yummy, y'all. Queso cheese and the shredded cheese. And the griddle just makes amazing crunchy shells on everything. So, whoops, where'd you go? Hey, stop taking off like that. I'm talking. Okay, so that's all we've got to eat today. That's a wrap, y'all. Thanks for watching. Baja, do you have anything to add? What? Well, speak up. Good girl. Bye, y'all.